video.
Cool.
Is that good? You like that, Ebs?
That's wild, Dad. That's the coolest toy.
It's neat, isn't it? Merry Christmas, Abigail.
Oh, thank you.
Merry Christmas, Madeline. Here, look at the camera. Say Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, who? Kitty. What do you say to Santa Claus?
Thank you.
And you're not even done, because then you got to open up presents for Mommy and Daddy, too.
Right.
Yeah.
There I am, Dad.
What a festive little girl.
Oh, baby's first spoon box. Put that over here.
If I get to chew on it, it's good.
That's right.
Daddy, for my people.
Your people? What people?
The dog. Oh. Thank you. Let that put it on the
Okay.